This phone is a lot bigger than the other one. I had to get a new phone. I was going to tell you guys, I wish I'd yanked the phone out and showed you West End Baptist Church over here in Newport. They had, all the way along their porch, they had water stacked. And that's what I'm coming on here to tell you guys, that a lot of the help that's going forward, a lot of the help that's coming forward is from churches. It's grassroots people, and I think it's awesome. My friend that owns this jewelry store down here, her church, which is Crossroads, they're actually handing out food and water. I think food, I'm not sure about food, but I know for sure they're handing out water, and she's up there working right now doing that, which I think is really cool. Anyway, another day in paradise. Every church that I pass has a sign. Well, there's banks too. This one doesn't have anything, but there's a sign that says emergency assistance or water or something along those lines. And by the time I pull my phone out, I'm already past, and I'm too tired to turn around and go back. So I don't know about showing you guys that stuff. So here you go, down here at this church, and all the parking. They've got all kinds of assistance for people down there. Cool. I wonder if some of the river roads are... Okay, let's get our crap together. Wow. The road's not too bad. You can see how high the river was. And the trash, and there's no telling what else. Looks like it washed. No. I thought it washed the island away that was down here, but no, I don't think so. So it was definitely covering here, because you could see on that utility pole. I hope this, let's go across it fast. Here, I'm thinking if I go across it fast, it won't fall with me. But you can see the road doesn't look too bad. So they've had to cut this back out, and of course I saw this before flooded. Can't describe the smell to you though. I know what mud smells like. This is definitely not mud. So I see what people are talking about when they're saying that there's odors. So there's trash cans and things all along the bank over here. There's a tarp. Or no, that's metal. Dang. Pile piles of debris were. Oh, they've had to rebuild the road here. Crap, I should have went a little faster. There was definitely odors. Do you see that building out there? Let's see if I can zoom in. I'm trying to get used to this new phone. The camera is a lot better, and that's why I chose this one. Ooh. Bad road. This road, actually, a lot of it has washed away, it looks like. But, I mean, what can you expect? Wow. To see that smell that I smelled back there, where those debris piles were, it's not up here. And they definitely need to check those piles, and that just makes me feel really, really sad. Just really sad. I wouldn't be fishing in that river. No, sir. On this road several times. I mean, it's always been a rough road, but dang. The bridge made it through okay. Sorry about slinging around here. Just trying to catch everything. Looks like they're burning debris over here on this farm. Back off a little bit. But, so, they must have had some buildings or something that needed to be destroyed. I don't know. Come on, dude. Woman, whatever. Here in the crook of the river. They need to check it. You know, I went to Cumberland Falls after the Kentucky, oh, it says road closed. Wonder why? I don't know. But anyway, after the Kentucky floods, and that smell was there, and you guys can see the debris pile over there. And who checks them? Like, here is the mountain views. I love these mountain views down here. It says the road is closed, but I don't know why they would do that. And if it is, we're out up here, I'll just turn around. I don't really want to though. That river's so beautiful. Man, those logs are huge. The bulldozer up here blocking the road. I guess that's why they've got it closed. So, I guess this is where I turn around. Well, that sucks, but I guess that's where I'm gonna have to end this video, guys. I may go up, yeah, I'll probably go up Edwana Road, and I'll try to get footage of that farm on my way. But other than that, I'm really hungry. I think there's a grilled cheese sandwich in my future, and that's about it for today. Talk to you guys soon. Oops, dropped it. is the Edwana community. I came down through here with Jiraiya in my last video, but this time I'm going to go up this way, and with my camera clipped, hopefully you can see the damage. Bless their hearts.